Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to enable or disable the UEFI network stack on the Alienware Aurora Re16 laptop. First, we need to access the BIOS setup. To do that, shut down your laptop entirely. Once it's turned off, short press the power button once and repeatedly click the F2 key until you see this dashboard on your screen. After that, enable Advanced Setup by switching that toggle to the right. Go to the Connection menu, and here you'll be able to see the UEFI network stack. You can select the network stack mode. You can set it to Enabled, Auto-Enabled, Selective Enabled, or disable it by selecting the first option from the ones presented. Then, to apply changes, click Apply at the bottom and click OK on your screen. You can exit this menu by either clicking Exit in the bottom right corner or pressing the Escape button on your keyboard. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing. Leave us a like in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.